Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is EkesonMan. I'm the owner of EkesonMan's Garage. Today we are going to look into the money-making app called Honeygain. Let's get started. Passive income, effortlessly with Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. Easy way to earn passive income. Start earning with Honeygain, and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription, unlock exclusive content on free-to-play video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. Earn without compromising security. Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. Know exactly what your internet is used for. Once you start using Honeygain, your devices act like view towers and help world-famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or censorship. Estimate your earnings. Your earnings directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain's network. The more you share, the more you earn. Factors that influence how much you earn. Your location. Your earnings depend on the traffic demand required for our business clients, as well as the number of users in your area. The number of IP addresses. The more IP addresses your devices are connected to, the more you can earn. Network. Refer to our help page. 5 steps to Honeygain. Set it up. Honeygain can be installed on any Windows, Linux, macOS, or Android device with a stable internet connection. Run Honeygain. Once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. Let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that's publicly available online. Help businesses. Credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business processes. Get paid. Users earn money for all the traffic they share, and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal or BTC. Once again, my name is EkesonMan. I'm the owner of EkesonMan's Garage. Please like, share, and hit the subscribe buttons, and also turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we posted a new video. Thank you for watching.